Go get it. What is that?
The ball. The ball.
Oh, Jesse, where's the basket with eggs in it?
Oh no! I got the bunny! It's an Easter bunny. Something candy.
Candy?
Yes.
You gonna eat it later?
Yes. Daddy, Lou.
Is it-
A Canadian coin?
Yes.
That's pretty special.
Mine. That's mine.
Yeah, it's yours. We'll put it in your piggy bank.
In a pocket. No pockets. No pockets. Bunny. Bunny.
Are you gonna take?
I like it.
You gonna take a bite?
Yes. I'm gonna get it. Oh no. Eat the bunny.
Easter bunny. What do you think?
Good. On a finger.
Taste it.
On a finger.
Yeah, take a bite.
Okay. Mmm.
Take a bite.
Baby chicken.
Take a bite.
Oh,
I just told him to eat a baby chicken. That's weird.
I'm taking.
You can eat it if you want. Try it. What do you think?
Good.
Mmm.